Hello, this is Thomas Südpacker speaking. This video is related to the taxi simulator which is available on GitHub, which contains two labs. One lab is related to more IoT made inside Node-RED, and the next one is analytics. In the first video here you see how the Node-RED part works in combination with Watson IoT and the object storage. It shows the complete flow inside the Node-RED part and not how to build this. Take a look inside the lab, what you will have done after you have finished the entire hands-on lab. So this is the tab you are responsible for inserting these nodes to provide examination of data which will get out of the IoT. We have the pre-configured taxi simulation. In this section there will be different devices inside the IoT be created, and there are some defaults also possible to create it out of the box directly from the interaction on our web UI we have directly with the Node-RED dashboard functionality. And here is the virtual taxi. It means these data are the data we are going to simulate and send to the IoT, to the Watson IoT. And in this section we collect the data and store the data into the object storage for later examination in the analytics part. This part gives the ability to stop the simulation directly from the front end or inside the Node-RED flow. The last tab is for testing does the storage inside the object storage work. So we can just press here the button to send some sample binary or blob data so that this will be stored inside the object storage. Okay, now we can start with the sample just to see how it works later on if it's finished. So here is the web page. There are different options, as you can see. This is the insert of the possible configuration of the Watson IoT if you want, but I will choose later on these just to start the simulation. As you can see, I already did a simulation, and here to observe output of our simulated taxi. That's concrete, the first taxi we will create. So I will start it right now.
Now I start the taxi with device ID taxi01. Now I start the taxi with device ID taxi02.
As you can see, now we can observe the different values of the different taxis and the combined value of all data which is submitted. Now we want to examine what is or what happens inside our services. So when we refresh the IoT service, we can see we have two newly created taxis. The device type taxi is created inside the IoT. We can browse. There are also some different other taxis created. Like I said, two taxis we already have seen on our dashboard. So we can take a look here and see which information is currently sent to the Watson IoT. And when we go back to our Node-RED flow, what you did. You did this examination. When we go back to our web application, you can see here, yeah, this is too high. In this situation, we can observe a specific output, and that's what you did. Yeah, so if it's over, I guess it was over 25 the velocity, and then you get the information. This is in a danger mode. Okay, but we also storing data inside object storage. Let's see what's there. That's my object storage I use, and I want to update this. And as you can see now, I have two containers. This is a taxi. I have two file accounts. The reason is not every single data set is stored. It's a combination of more. It's about 100. You can see here. And wait for 100 messages and then bring it to a buffer and store it into the object storage database. This was the first part of the taxi simulation. The hands-on lab part for the IoT stuff mostly implemented inside Node-RED using the Watson IoT and the IBM ObjectStorage. The next one will focus on IBM data science experience in combination of the object storage. I hope the information was useful for you, and thanks for watching.